Hello again, welcome back to my Creative African Cooking channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I'm coming up with my 4th episode of the Bulgur Wheat series. So yes, on the menu today is the rice bulgur pilaf. So here I have 2 cups of bulgur wheat, 2 cups of jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. 1 onion sliced. I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt to taste. Yes, let's get started. So into my wok or my saucepan, I'll add my oil, heat it up, and then add my onions. I'll then give this a good stir. Allow the onions to fry in the oil for about 3 to 5 minutes. So my onions has been frying for the past 3 minutes. I'll leave it to fry for another 2 more minutes because I want those to get crunchy and crispy. Right, so at this point I'll add my washed bulgur and the rice. Give this a good stir. Leave this to fry in the oil or simmer in the oil for about 3 minutes. I'm doing this to get my rice to be crunchy when it's cooked. That's how I love my rice. I love it when it's crunchy. Right, at this point, I'm going to add my salt. Give it a good stir. And then next, gradually add my water. Cover those and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. Right, after 20 minutes, I'll then come back and check on my rice bulgur pilaf. This is how it looks like. It's actually cooking very nicely. Look at that. Looks very nice. Yes. So I could tell there is a little bit of water in there. So I'll cover this and leave it to cook for 5 more minutes. And my bulgur rice pilaf will be ready. So yes, now after 25 minutes of cooking this, my rice bulgur pilaf is now ready. I have some leftover beef sauce there, so I'm going to pair this with that. Yes, you can pair this with some black pepper sauce. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.